You could say Chris Mendoza detailed a new journey.
My dad was an alcoholic. He would be out on the weekends, every weekend drinking. We would go to the bars with him. We had no running water, and we live off welfare all our lives.
The local man now owns 2 vehicle detail businesses, including a splash of class in Midland.
I started doing drugs when I was in 7th grade. I used to steal $2 from my mom's purse in the morning so I could buy a joint in school. Those cool guys are the ones that are going to end up dead, in prison, or drug addicts, which most of them are.
Selling drugs landed Mendoza behind bars for more than 5 years.
Once you get in that hole, it's hard to get out of that hole.
For him to come out of prison and do what he did is an amazing accomplishment.
An amazing accomplishment that customer Matt Boykin believes Mendoza should share.
When they come out of prison, they're not stuck. They may have a record, but they still have a future.
And employee Jaime Villalobos agrees.
From somebody coming from the bottom to the top, back to the top, it's a great achievement.
I had a turning point in life. I found God.
His faith and his 3 daughters continue to keep him on the straight and narrow.
Go back to prison and be nobody, or stay out here and be positive and do something with your life. If I can do it, anybody can do it.